1603. Before it was Tokyo, it was Edo, a peaceful village under the rule of shoguns. The town expands, lit by 1,000 candles, carving its place in history. Through natural disasters and fires, the city learns its first lessons of resilience.
By the 18th century, Edo grows into one of the largest cities in the world.
Centuries of isolation, about to be broken by the tides of change.
In 1868, Edo becomes Tokyo. The gates open to the Western world as modernization explodes.
Electricity flows through the streets. The night belongs to the citizens now.
1814. Tokyo is now a bustling industrial capital, moving on iron and steam. 1923. A massive earthquake levels the city. But Tokyo rebuilds stronger, higher, and faster.
The 1930s. A brief moment of architectural splendor before the dark clouds of war.
1945. Total destruction. The lowest point in history, ready for the ultimate comeback. 1950s. Rising from the ashes, rebuilding its foundation piece by piece. An icon is born. Tokyo begins to reach for the sky. 1964. The Olympics arrive, and Tokyo speeds into the modern era.
Concrete replaces wood. Economic growth becomes unstoppable.
The 1980s. The economic miracle transforms Tokyo into a neon wonderland.
At its peak, the city dreams bigger, climbing higher.
The 90s. The digital age begins to pulse through the streets.
The 2000s. Millions of lives intersecting in a single frame. A new giant joins the skyline, guiding the city forward.
2019. Pre-pandemic Tokyo reaches its absolute peak of neon perfection.
The line between reality and the digital world begins to blur. A green eco-metropolis rises. Nature and technology coexisting.
The dawn of a new era. Clean, efficient, majestic.
2040. Tokyo breaks the limits of geography, building into the sky.
Traffic leaves the ground. The sky becomes the new highway. A living organism made of data, glass, and dreams. From a small fishing village to the capital of the future.
This is Tokyo. Eternal, evolving, infinite.